What's up guys, welcome back to a vlog after a long 11 months. I'm finally back in Sydney. I've got a lot of explaining to do, but don't worry, I'll explain that after. But for now, we bought this boat about a week ago now, and this is the first time I'm taking it out with the whole family, so hopefully it goes well. It is actually a bad time to take it out because it's actually at the lowest tide right now. We'll be heading to the harbour. I've got the drone, I've got everything, should be set. Let's get into the vlog and get this beast in the water.
Cheers to being 29!
29? You almost grandma. Alright guys, so we have just made it to the spot where you're gonna chill here for a bit. I got the little drone here, I actually just bought this not long ago. No, are you having fun? Yeah? Good boy. I swear it's like a dream come true. It's like exceeded my expectations how fun this has been. Taking the whole family out for the first time. Literally a dream come true. I'm not sure if you guys know, but Taronga Zoo is literally just over there. It's covering this whole part. So that's all Taronga Zoo up there. Literally this beach here, like you can't really get to it unless you got a boat. So I'll probably end up jumping in the water because it's just so beautiful and like it's just a beautiful day. It's like the first, it's not even summer yet, but it's like 27 degrees or something like that. It's pretty beautiful, but for now, I'll take this bad boy out. I hope you guys have been enjoying it. I've got to get used to vlogging again. It's so weird. It's very hard to grab a camera when this guy's over every day. He just wants to grab everything. Are you drinking wine? No,
It's water, but in a wine glass.
It's water in a wine glass. Oh my God. Hope you guys enjoyed that amazing drone footage. It is actually amazing here. The sun, I don't know, what's the time? Like 5 o'clock maybe? Oh no, not 5 o'clock. The sun goes. What's the time? 3:20. Alright guys, it's around 3:20. The sun is actually still beaming at us. It's pretty hot still. Look at this, it's like a jungle, isn't it? So
I'm telling you, it reminds me of when I was in
beautiful.
Thailand.
Taronga Zoo. There's actually animals in there somewhere. You can hear them. It's funny. But for now guys, we're going to be heading out. We'll continue our beautiful trip into the harbour of Sydney. we just pulled over at this beautiful bay here. As you can see, there's a little beach over there. Dad, you enjoying it? Yeah, it's pretty nice. Sabrina was our first vomit victim today. Noah, how do you feel about that? I get what you mean.
There's a crocodile, Mum. There's a crocodile.
It's not a crocodile, it's a freaking sticky retard. Oh god. You know what I'm actually going to do, guys? I'll probably send the drone up for one last time because we'll probably head back in a few moments or so, so I might as well take the drone up for one last time. Let's get to it. Let's take the drone up. Let's go.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yep. Tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart. Shit from miles away.
That's how you do it. What are you doing? Thank you. Say hi, Noah. I love you. You guys enjoyed that. No, vlog, please. How many times you guys gonna cut me off? You had fun today, haven't you?
Oh, I had the best time ever.
Even she has. Put your life jacket on, love. We gotta go. All right? She hates wearing the life jacket.
She does.
She hates it.
But you know what? Noah's done very well. I'm very proud of him.
Noah is a... Yeah, and we know you're a very good boy.
Oh, this is the life.
This is the life, literally. I never thought I'd be doing this year.
Jacob actually made our family's dream come true. We've always wanted a boat.
Yeah.
So this is just the beginning. So.
This wasn't even meant to happen. Up to last week, I was still living in Melbourne.
Who said you guys can vlog without me? Oh my god. Let's join the crib because I just came back from a 2-month holiday.
We've got a lot of explaining to
Let me tell you about it. You should explain to everyone.
Because I've been living in Melbourne. Jasmine's been travelling the world, a little spoiled brat at 16 with my mum over there. I think I'll leave it to another video because there's so much to talk about. Look,
How's the day been?
Jasmine, I swear, you need a slap in the face. You know, guys, let's turn this bad boy on. There we go, first try as normal. Let's head out. Woo! Bye bye to that beautiful bay. Heading back home. Look how cute this little man is. Sabs, you have the cutest kids. The cutest of cutest kids. Shobu Daniel! Alright guys, there you have it. We are all on board. Noah had an awesome day. He wants to get back in the water already. I'll probably see you guys at home because I'm probably going to be stressing out driving this car back home.
Rubbing this boat because it has a lot of
Yeah, we still got a massive clean-up job. For now guys, I'll see you at home in a bit, which will be 2 seconds for you guys, but I've got to focus on the road to get this bad boy home. Sabs, are you going to come home with us? Is she coming home? I don't know. If I see Sabrina, bye Sabrina. Let's head home. Yep, there we go. This is the worst part of the day. Cleaning it for another bloody 2 hours. There we go. You gotta get all the salt off, otherwise literally the salt will eat this whole boat. Well yeah, pick them up, love. Oh my god, you guys. Thank God for drive-through, eh, Jazz?
Look how much
How much freaking chicken did you guys get?
Yummy.
God,
You want nuggets? Yeah, nuggets.
Yum, but I still gotta clean the boat. I'll see you guys in a bit. Enjoy the food. Make sure you leave me a plate, alright? Couple pieces at least. You gotta start them young these days. Yeah. What else? Oh yeah?
No, wait.
Start them young guys.
Show me